Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the second lesson, Nationalism in India, last part. First we will learn about Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, okay, and then plantation workers. What are the problems of business class, poor people, and rich people, and women, and everything we have completed. Now we are going to learn the last topic, the sense of collective belonging. What is that? The sense of collective belonging. This is the fourth topic of the second lesson. We are going to learn this topic only today. There are 4 pages. In it, how the leaders, the national leaders, collect the people. What is that? The sense of collective. Collect the people for freedom fighting. They are using, they portrayed some pictures like Bharat Mata and some other things. Okay, the leaders are going to village and collect the folk tale and folk song and some other things, and they are making drama and everything to village. Finally they have organized the people, they increased the hungry of freedom in the people's mind. Okay, so now we are going to learn the fourth topic, the sense of collective belonging. எஸ் உணர்வு. ஓகே, மக்கள்கிட்ட எப்படி தேசிய உணர்வை ஒன்றுபடுத்தினாங்க. ஓகே, த சென்ஸ் ஆஃப் கலெக்டிவ் பிலாங்கிங். எஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு nationalism spread when nationalism spreads when people begin to believe that they are all part of the same nation. So the leaders are making the people, first they want to think what is that, all the people are in the same nation, all are Indians. When they discovered some unity that binds them together, but how did the nation become reality in the mind of people? How did people belonging to different communities, religion, language, group develop sense of collective? Yes, but people were separated by language, different language they are using, different religion, different caste. Okay, these are separating the people. Then which one making the people become collective? How, which one collecting the people, which one organizing the people? This sense of collective belonging came partly through the experience of united struggle. The sense of collective belonging came to experience united struggle, but there were also variety of cultural process through which nationalism captured people imagination. For example, most of the people, okay, using Gandhiji's photo. Okay, when the people looking the Gandhiji's photo, they are in their mind, okay, they are thinking about the freedom, they are thinking fight for freedom. So cultural process also, history and fiction, there are so many stories. What is that? So many stories, fictions, already some people were died for freedom, so they have written about them the story. So fictions, folklore, நாட்டுப்புற கதைகள், நாட்டுப்புற பாடல்கள். Okay, popular print and symbols, popular prints, pictures, popular pictures and symbols all played and making a nationalism. This one collect all the people in a same nation. Okay, it make thinking of same nation. Next, the identity of the nation. The identity of the nation, as you known as we get studied in chapter first, we can learn later that this helps create an image with which people can identify the nation. For example, Bharat Mata picture. For example, Bharat Mata picture. When we are looking the Bharat Mata picture, it indicate, okay, it gives some instruction. What is that? We are Indians. We are Indian. It was in the 20th century. What is that? It was the 20th century. With the growth of nationalism, that the identity of the India came to be visually associated the Bharat Mata. So the Bharat Mata picture organized the people. The Bharat Mata picture organized the people of India. The image was first created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Who did create the first picture of Bharat Mata? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1870s. Okay, he wrote Vande Mataram, Bankim Chatterjee. Okay, he write Vande Mataram as the hymn to the motherland, as to the Padal. So later it was included in his novel Anand Math. In Tamil, its name was Ananda Madam. Ananda Madam. Anand Math and widely sung during the movement. Abhindranath Thakur painted his famous image of Bharat Mata. In this painting, Bharat Mata, yes, this picture is drawn by, this picture is made by Abhindranath Tagore. What is that? Abhindranath Tagore, not Rabindranath Tagore, Abhindranath Tagore, Abhindranath Tagore. So, painted his famous image of Bharat Mata. In this painting, Bharat Mata portrays ascetic. Ascetic means sannyasi, Turavi. Ascetic figure. She is calm. It is telling about the calm, அமைதியாக இருக்கணும், composed, divine. Divine means pure, spiritual, ஆன்மா. Okay, yes, these points were mentioned Bharat Mata picture. In subsequent year, the image of Bharat Mata acquired many different forms. For example, this is explained about the Hindu. So Muslims made one Bharat Mata, Christian made one Bharat Mata. So each and every people made Bharat Mata picture for themselves. So different artists. So devotional to this mother figure came to be seen as evidence of one nationalism. But all the Bharat Mata picture is telling about what is that? We are Indian. We are Indians. So next, idea of nationalism also developed through a movement of revive. Okay, renewal. Revive means renewal. Pudipittal. Indian folklore. When they are singing the song in the street or in the drama, the people need freedom from British people. The late 19th century in India, nationalism began recording folktale. Late 19th century means after 1850. After 1850, sung by bards. Bards means poet, Pulavargal. Bards means poet, Pulavargal. They toured village to village. They are going to village to gather folk song and legend. These tales they believed gave a true picture of traditional culture that had been corrupted and damaged by outside forces. So the poets are collecting the poems and folk tale. They are singing the song to every village. They are creating the awareness of freedom. But the British people, outside force, the British people make a plan to destroy that. It was essential to preserve this folk traditional in order to discover one's national identity and restore a sense of pride of one's past. So the folk tale, the Natupura Padal, the folk tale is telling about the past people. Those are fighting against the British people, fighting for freedom, how they did, how they fight with the British people, everything. It is telling about the tale is telling. So in Bengal, Rabindranath, West Bengal. Bengal means on the time of Bangladesh also, in India only. After independence only, Pakistan, Bangladesh separate from India. So Bengal. So Rabindranath Tagore himself began collecting pallets. Pallets mean in English. I told you about pallets. Pallet, nursery rhymes and mites. Mites means Purana Kadigal. Mites means Purana Kadigal. And led the movement for folk. So they are collecting the tale and making folk. Next, in Madras, Nadesa Sastri published a massive 4-volume collection of Tamil folk tale, The Folklore of South India. Okay, so Nadesa Sastri, where Madras, on the time only 8 states, now 28 states we are having. Okay, 8 provinces na Mahanangal, states. Okay, so in South India, he collected 4 volumes of folklore and printed that. That folklore was national literature. It was the most trustworthy. What is that? It was the most trustworthy manifestation. Manifestation means he explained, வெளிப்படுத்துறது, of people's real thought and character. What are the people People what they are thinking in their mind. The folk tale is telling about the life of people, how they are affecting by British people. As the national movement developed, nationalist leader became more and more aware of such icon and symbols in unifying people and inspiring in them a feeling nationalism. During Sudesi movement in Bengal, tricolor flag was designed. So in this time they are fighting for freedom, so they made Sudesi movement. So non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Khilafat movement, like that. Sudesi movement also one of the movement. So in the Sudesi movement, they have used tricolor flag. At that, don't forget, in Sudesi movement only they have used tricolor flag. In the tricolor flag they have made red, green, yellow. What are the three color? Red, green, yellow was designed. It had 8 lotus. 8 lotus means 8 states. Before independent India divided by only 8 states. Okay, 8 lotuses. So representing 8 provinces. 8 provinces means 8 states of British India. And crescent moon. Okay, crescent moon's பிறை. இந்த ரம்ஜான் டைமில் கூட பிறை பார்ப்பாங்கள்ல. எஸ், crescent moon representing Hindus and Muslims, because Muslims they are using Ramjan, Bagrit for crescent moon. In Hindu, the god of Shiva on the head, he is keeping the moon. So by 1921, when it happened, 1921, Gandhiji had designed the Swaraj flag. First they have made in Sudesi movement tricolor flag. Then Gandhiji made designed tricolor flag. What is this? Swaraj, பூரண சுதந்திரம், நமக்கு சுதந்திரம் வேணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக அவர் ஒரு ஃப்ளாக் வந்து தயாரிக்கிறார். Okay, it was again a tricolor flag, but this one is red, green, white. Now we are using no, but we have changed some, we have made little changes and had a spinning wheel in the center. Spinning wheel, kaitari, spinning wheel in the center, because the spinning wheel representing the Gandhiji's idea of self-help. No one want to get money from others. If they are having spinning wheel, they can spin the wheel and earn some money. So that is a self-help. From childhood to old age, they can use the spinning wheel. Carrying the flag, holding aloft during marches become simple defense. So when they are making revolt or march, rally, they can use the flag. They can use the flag. Another means of creating feeling of nationalism was through okay, what is that? Reinterpretation. That means organize of history. So by the end of the 19th century, many Indians began feeling that to instill a sense of pride in the nation, Indian history had to be thought about differently. So before that they are fighting Hindu, Muslim, Christian, and the next caste wise, higher caste, lower caste. So after the folk tale and the folk song organized the people. Folk tale and folk song organized the people for freedom fighting. The British saw Indians as backward and primitive, incapable of governing themselves. The British people are thinking we are not have capacity to rule ourselves. நம்மளை நாமே ஆட்சி செய்ய நமக்கு தகுதி இல்லை அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க. So in response, Indians began looking into the past to discover Indians' great achievement. They wrote about the glorious development in ancient time when art, architecture, science and mathematics, religion and culture, law and philosophy, craft and trade had flourished. After the folk tale, they have written everything. Glorious development of ancient time. What are the temples were built by the kings, and then science, what they have find science, mathematics, zero also introduced by Indian only. So religion, culture, law, philosophy, everything they are writing about everything. So this glorious time in the view was followed by historian decline, but this one is refused by others when Indian was colonized, because we are controlled by British people. Because of that, our culture, our development, science, maths, everything not accepted by others, not accepted by others. So these nationalist histories urged the readers to take pride in India's great achievement in the past and struggle to change the miserable condition of life under British rule. But before that they are not accepted, but after that, when some other people, other country people reading the books of Indians, they have understand the situation of India, they have understand the situation of India, and then they can understand the country, understand the British rule, understand the British rule, and then achievement of India also. They can understand the achievement of India. These effort to unify people were not without problem. Unify people were not with us. Which one unify the people? The folk tale, folklore, everything. Unify the people. When the past being glorified was Hindu, when the images celebrated were drawn by Hindu, yes, iconography உதாரணமாக ஓகேவா, then people of other communities felt left out. So the Bharat Mata is telling about the Hindu picture. Okay, the Bharat, because the color of the saree also kavi, color of the saree also kavi. Because of that, other Muslims and Christians are hesitate to follow the picture of Bharat Mata, hesitate to follow the picture of Bharat Mata. Our lesson is going to end. Our lesson is going to end. So, conclusion. A growing anger against the colonial government was thus bringing together various groups and classes Indian into common struggle for freedom in the first half of the 20th century. First half of the 20th century means 1901 to 1950. That is the first half of the 20th century. So, in that, the people were affected in different places by different category in different way, so these problems were, because of this problem, the people were organized. So next, the Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi tried to channel people grievances into organized movement for independence. So in this time, Gandhiji came to India 1915. After that, he collected the people and he is asking the problem of the people. So he was making fasting and marching. Okay, so the satyagrahas, they were made satyagrahas. Because of that, the plantation workers, Geda workers, so he made solve some problems. So he is asking the problems, grievances means kuraigal. Okay, problems. He was asking the problems of the people and solve the problems of the people. Because of that, he organized the people. Through such movements, the nationalists tried to forge a national unity, but as we have seen, diverse groups and classes participated in this movement with varied aspiration and expectation. I already told you, each and every people participated in freedom fighting, but their needs, their wants were different. For example, rich people want to reduce the tax, poor people want to reduce the tax from tenant. Okay, so each and every people is having different way of freedom. So as their grievances were wide ranging, very wide, they are having more problems. Freedom from colonial rule also meant different things to different people. Yes, in the colonial rule, British rule, different people are having different problems. So all the problem want to solved. The Congress continuously attempted to resolve differences and ensure that the demands of one group did not separate another. This is precisely why the unity within the movement often broke down, because the Congress leaders cannot solve all the problem. Because of that, some people come out of the freedom fighting often, so broke down. Okay, the movement often broke down. The high points of Congress activity and nationalist unity were followed by phases of disunity and inner conflict between groups. In the word that was emerging was national, many voices wanting freedom from colonial rule. So maximum of the people need freedom from colonial rule in the first half of the 20th century. In the first half of the 20th century, look at the picture, you know about the women process in the Bombay during the Quiet Indian movement. So thank you. The second lesson over. You are studying 10th standard, don't forget. I don't want to give advice again and again. You can do your work regularly. Maybe school will open September or November, October or November, maybe December also. So you can utilize the online classes. This is very useful for you. Don't want to misunderstand. Okay, if you are not doing the homework, definitely the teachers will call you and say you to do the homework regularly. Okay, so you can do your homework, get good marks in social science. Last year also, you know about that, more than 50%, 15 students, totally 16 students, 15 students get above 80 mark. Okay, so in this year also you can get easily. In social science will help you to increase your score. So try to study well.